The right-hand table assembly provides a work surface on the right-hand side of your grill. Most problems with the table are the result of accidental damage. Replacing the right-hand table assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Mark Socha. Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers, outdoor grills, our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone. Let's get started. I'll begin by removing the old shelf from the grill. It's secured with 2 bolts. With the bolts removed, now I can lift the shelf away from the frame. Now I can begin installing the new shelf. First, I need to remove the protective plastic. Now I can mount the shelf back onto the frame. The shelf sits on these hooks on either side of the frame. I'll align the shelf and then press it down onto the hooks. Now I can secure it with the bolts. And that's all it takes to replace the right-hand table assembly on your grill. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment.